park construction updates and other surprises here on the next episode of D3. What's up, everyone? Welcome to this episode of D3. In this episode, we're going to check up on an update on Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, and also we're going to check up on the progress over at California Adventure on the new Marvel Land. Let's go check it out. Alright folks, so I'm back for season number 7 here at Disneyland. I've been coming here since what, I guess 2012 annually. Almost, I think I've been coming here probably, I try to come here at least twice a month or 3 times a month if possible, if my work schedule, if it permits it. I just love this place, I love the atmosphere and everything like that. I'm so excited about this coming year with the Star Wars Land Galaxy's Edge opening up in 2019. That's going to be insane. So if you guys plan to come out here to California, you're warned, it's going to get really crowded and crazy. With that being said, this episode, like I said earlier, I'm going to try to cover the construction update of Galaxy's Edge and probably some other things going on over at California Adventure. Let's go take a look. So to give you guys a good sneak peek of Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, I'm on top of the Mark Twain Riverboat here at Disneyland. We're going to go around Tom Sawyer Island and try to give you a couple good shots of the construction over there. It should be pretty cool. Okay folks, you're getting a look in the background is Star Wars Land. The buttes in the back, those mountain ranges in the back. I'll try to get a better view of it for you. You can see it right here. More of the mountain range in the background. Some of the construction going on right there. We're going to get a bit more closer.
Keep a close eye on the riverbanks.
We're coming back behind the back portion of the Mark Twain Riverboat. You can see more of the buttes back in the back. I'm zooming up on you for you. It looks pretty awesome. It's going to be a pretty awesome land. Almost done. It should be done by next summer. Alright folks, so that was a view of Star Wars Land Galaxy's Edge from the top of Mark Twain Riverboat. I apologize if you couldn't hear me in portions of that segment due to the crowd and everything like that and the narration of the narrator on the boat. So, but I'm going to try to get you guys another view of Galaxy's Edge from one of the entrances over by in Critter Country. We're going to take a look over there and see how much of the construction we can see on that part. Let's go take a look. Okay folks, I believe one of the entrances to Star Wars Galaxy's Edge is along the parallel of the Hungry Bear restaurant here over in Critter Country. There's a walkway path that leads back to the potential entrance to the area. And we're going to take a look over here, over the bridge, and see if we get a better shot of Galaxy's Edge. I think this is a good shot right over here. You can see part of the top of the mountain range right there. I'm going to zoom in a little bit for you, a little bit better. This looks pretty awesome, to tell you the truth. While closer around, probably see more of the outpost in the distance right there. I'm going to try to walk a little bit further closer around the corner over here, get you another closer view. Over here, back around, this is again back over behind the Hungry Bear restaurant over here in Critter Country. And this is going to be the entrance. Right here, this dead end is going to be the entrance to Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. It's pretty awesome. I just want to give you guys a quick view of this poster they have back over here in the secondary entrance over by Big Thunder Mountain 2 towards Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. If you haven't already seen this, it's pretty cool graphic they have here. If you guys probably been here like me, pretty often you've seen this picture they have, this poster they have of what the area is supposed to look like. You see the X-Wing fighter right there, and everything else. You have like the outpost and the 2 attractions. You have the, I guess the Millennium Falcon attraction right there at the top. And I think there's one more attraction. I forgot which one it's going to be called, but it's going to be a pretty amazing area of the park. Alright folks, we're going to take a quick look inside the Star Wars launch bay and see if they have any more dioramas or some other sneak peeks for the new Galaxy's Edge coming up. Go take a look. Okay folks, we're inside the launch bay here at Disneyland. We're looking at the diorama for the new Galaxy's Edge, but in particular we're looking at the remote outpost that's going to be in Galaxy's Edge. It's pretty cool. I think it's going to contain the cantina over there, the famous bar inside of the Star Wars movies, and also some other shops over in that section. It looks pretty awesome. We'll take another quick look around here from the other section of it. This is pretty awesome. I can't wait till this thing opens. It's gonna be really cool. All right, folks, that's all the updates from the Disneyland side. Right now, we're gonna go over to the California Adventure side, see if they have any updates for the Marvel Land area. We're gonna check it out. All right, folks, we're over at California Adventure. This is the only thing they have right now as regards to the Marvel Land, the Stark Industries logo on the wall. As you can see, they removed the Bugs Land sign up there, so that's about it right now. They just have a big barricade up, the wall up. Nothing in particular right now. Hopefully they have like a mural or something coming up pretty soon. You can see Guardians in the background, so hopefully in another next couple of months, I have another update for you. Alright folks, there you have it. There's all the updates right now we have here for the Disneyland Resort. You see Galaxy's Edge is almost done. And I think hopefully it'll be open by like June or July next year, which is summer. And Marvel Land, I think they said 2020, so hopefully I have another update for you regarding Marvel Land in the next couple of months. And probably give you an update on Matterhorn Mountain, since that's down, and a refurbishment too, and some other attractions. With that being said, folks, this concludes this episode of D3. Thanks again for watching. As usual, feel free to leave a comment below. And if you already haven't done so, feel free to subscribe to the channel if you like what you see. And as usual, follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Thanks again for watching, folks. See you next time.